Stickshift presents. We've been up all night. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. And this kid's running amok. This kid will not sleep. We got Olivia on TV. Olivia's a pig. And we got Quentin, who's just running amok. Run amok, Q, run amok. Do your thing. Yeah. He's practicing for riots when he's going to turn over the police car. Turn that police car over, Q. Turn that police car over, Q. Yes. Yes, turn the police car over, yes. 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 Turn the police car over and set it on fire, Q. Yes. 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 Don't shake your head no at me. You turn that police car over and set it on fire. We're rioting here. We're in a simulation, baby. A baby simulation. Q. Quentin. Alright, fine. He's defying me. Already. Q. You turn over that police car. Flip it. Alright, maybe not. Stickshift presents. 7 in the morning. My kid's running amok. Flipping over police cars. I'm out.